Vivo X70 Pro is finally in Indonesia after its launching on October 7, 2021, followed by the pre-order within a week. This Vivo X70 Pro can be purchased at certain official Vivo outlets throughout Indonesia. Vivo X70 Pro is also available online through the official Vivo store in e-commerce. Vivo Indonesia's Senior Brand Director EdyKusuma also shares that this latest product from Vivo received good responses from the public. Just like its predecessor, Vivo X60 Pro, the Vivo X70 Pro still focuses on the photographic aspect through collaborations with Zeiss. The Vivo X70 Pro camera is now equipped with some updates, including a lens that now adopts a Zeiss T Coating. This layer allows the Vivo X70 Pro camera system to be equipped with three iconic Zeiss Style Portrait camera features: the iconic classic Distagon, Planar and Sonnar lenses, and still present the Biotar Portrait Style, which was first present on the Vivo X60 Pro. By design, Vivo X70 Pro is equipped with E5 AMOLED Display. By design, Vivo X70 Pro is equipped with an E5 AMOLED display screen measuring 6.56 inches with Full HD Plus resolution, Ultra O screen design, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Vivo X70 Pro is supported by a 4450 mAh battery that supports 44 watts on fast charging. This phone also runs the Android 11 operating system, which is coded with Vivo's typical FunTouch OS 12 interface. Other supporting features include in-display fingerprint, NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Dual SIM, USB Type-C, Wi-Fi 6, 4K video recording, extended RAM 2.0, reverse charging, SGH eye care display, and SGS seamless certification.